Angles in a polygon. The sum of the interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. But did you know that you can use triangles to find the sum of the interior angles of any polygon? Let's use an octagon as an example. Pick a vertex and draw diagonals from it to the other vertices. Then count the number of triangles formed. There were 6 triangles. We know that the angles in each triangle add up to 180 degrees. Since you made 6 triangles, multiply 6 times 180 to find the sum of the interior angles in an octagon. The sum of interior angles in an octagon is 1080 degrees. When you draw diagonals in other shapes, you can see a pattern form. A square has 2 triangles. A pentagon has 3 triangles. A hexagon has 4 triangles. A heptagon has 5 triangles. This pattern means that you can also use a formula to find the sum of any polygon's interior angles. The formula is 180 times n minus 2, where n equals the polygon's number of sides. An octagon has 8 sides, so plug 8 into the formula. Using the formula, you also get 1080 degrees. For more practice finding the sum of interior angles in a polygon, open your Scholastic magazine.